Super simple blue cheese dressing. Let's make this. All right, super easy blue cheese salad dressing or dip for wings or for whatever, but always get a block of blue cheese. Don't get the kind that's pre-crumbled, because they generally put starch on it or whatever to keep it like an anti-clumping agent, and it's just not good. You're better off just, clumping up your own, cutting it up. And really, you're better off making this the day before and letting it sit in the fridge overnight. So, I just chopped it up myself. Just takes a minute. All right, here we go. Mayo, and I'm going to need another one. You could also put sour cream. Then some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. You can use white, but I like black. A little bit of Worcestershire. A little bit of lemon juice. Fresh lemon is always better, but I don't have one. And then some heavy cream. And you could use a whisk to mix this, but then it gets stuck in the tines and it's a pain to clean, so I always just use a spoon. Takes a little longer, but it ain't bad. All right, let's see how it tastes. Pretty perfect. You can also use vinegar, apple cider vinegar instead of lemon juice, which is also really good. All right, that's that. Ready to go. I'll put some film over the top, put it in the fridge, and done.